at Busy Bees
Car wash.
Yes, there's the bee mascot. I'm zooming in on Mr. B.
We are a cleanup. See, all you're doing is filming the back seat. I was correct. Honestly, I'm just gonna enjoy by myself because it's actually really mesmerizing. And you should film up and everywhere. Because
Wow, look at the pink one.
I know. It smells like lemonade. No, I'm kidding. Oh, it's just so nice.
Oh, wow, does that smell good? It smells strawberry, Mahi.
Yeah. Okay. New favorite car wash.
And then
Hello, everybody.
are these dryers?
Genealogical facts represent.
Did you get it out?
Oh, the way it just drapes across your car. And then these things make it more dirty. I'm kidding. I think they're clean. They're really clean.
And they're more black things. Busy Bee.
Whoa! Hold up. Look at that. The water's actually so cool.
Oh, not sponsored.
Whoa!
Not sponsored by Busy Bees.
Well, we would love to. Tire shine time. Heated driving on.
Did you have a tire shine?
Yes.
I didn't see it. जब पवन के रोड आपने क्लोज है रोड आई थिंक गर्मी आप
Well, that's the full. Well, that's the full thing. That's the full thing for Busy Bees. Bye.